Hey, hey guys, welcome to the episode 29 of the peer-to-peer network. Um, Today we are going to be going through my task to my to-do lists, and we are going to start with cleaning the social persona and social trading bot. And from there we will see what other task we can do once we finish that. This one is not really difficult, so let's 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 start. Okay, so we're going to stop this. We have a workspace here open. Okay, so what we are going to clean is this and this. I'm not sure that there is anything to clean, but I took the note, so we will check it. So users can have a social persona that can follow other social persona, be followed, have posts, link it to their social persona, that means making posts, and have bots. The only thing I see here is the ranking, that is still a concept not implemented here. But I don't see anything wrong with this or with this. Okay, probably here I see something wrong. But I wouldn't like to go into social trading bots right now because, or maybe yes. User profile node. User profile node. Okay, so maybe there are some things to check out. For example, when we add a post and we initialize a post, we recently introduced the concept of file keys. Okay, so file keys, but I don't see the file keys. Well, after the timestamp, we have the file key, and then we store it there. Remove reaction, blah blah blah. So social persona. If we are adding a post, we will also need the file key after the timestamp. Okay. The same for social trading bot. And we are removing this signal stuff because signals is a different story. Okay. So add post, add social persona, add post. It needs the 5 keys and the 5 keys here. Add post needs the 5 keys and the 5 keys here. Because at the post we require the 5 keys. It's going to be here. And store it there. Maybe we will also undefine this. 5 keys, 5 keys, okay. So when we remove the post, we don't need 5 keys. Okay, so at some point we do this add post. And that should happen here, event. Okay, add post. This includes the 5 keys. And add the new social trading bot post also. Okay. So our mission was to clean this, and we did find some stuff to clean. Let's go a little bit deeper. Okay, so this cleaning is good. Let's see if I see anything else. What is the post? Okay, remove post, blah blah blah, add post. Disabled bot. Okay. Anything else here? Initialize. Okay, I see it clean. We're just going to make ourselves sure that everything continues working. So we will run this network again. And we will run the desktop app. Um, the desktop. Okay, cool. Okay, so because this is working and this is working, we are going to commit these changes and cleaning of social persona and trading bot modules. Done. So that is done. So next on the list is, okay, the next task is more complicated, so we're going to do it in a session only for that. Broadcast to client should take into account not only the WebSocket. Okay, this is related to signals. Also for an episode, send a signal to other network node, not only. Even needs to be signed by the social persona trading mode emitting them so that the peer interface we can validate they are not forged. Okay, that's another problem. Check that social handles are unique. Okay, that's another problem. Check bot initialize for bot asset, bot exchange. What is this? Check bot initialize. What am I talking about? Is this? Am I talking about this? Okay, that's not a problem for now because this is talking about bots and I don't care about bots now. Desktop is crashing when the network node is stopped. Okay, this is an interesting thing to resolve if true. They clean the relationship between social persona and bots from the social graph. Okay, maybe this is something else that I would like to solve now. Um, let's try this out. We have the desktop running and we have the network running. If we stop this guy, what happened with this? Okay, start retrying again. This should be 1, 2, Two more dots. Okay, so it didn't crash. So it's just trying to reconnect to a network node. If we start the network node again, then it gets connected. So I don't see a problem here. I'm going to eliminate this from the list. Okay, another thing that to clean was at the user interface, in fact, that we had this social personas following. This is incorrect. This concept shouldn't exist, and neither social persona followed. Okay, so let's clean this mess. Social persona is I will need um, I'm looking for this. Okay, I'm looking for this, and we are talking about schema files that are part of the governance system. So governance schemas, ABB schemas. There is also a task to do that I don't really like to do it, but we need to do is to move the app schemas from governance project into the project they actually belong to. Okay, because for example, this is a concept that is not from governance. This is not a concept from governance, it's from social trading. These social personas are not from governance at all. So all of this needs to be moved and needs to be recreated and needs to continue working. So once I have everything working, then I will move that. Or maybe I should do that now. Okay, but the problem here is social personas following. Social personas following. That is at governance, social personas following. So a social persona cannot have social personas following. This doesn't exist because this type of relationship is tracked at the social graph, not at the profile level. Okay, so this is gone. Then you have that is also gone at the user bots level. Social trading bots following. So a social trading bot social trading bot. This cannot have this stuff. It doesn't exist. Okay, so now we cut it from here and from there. Social trading bot follow it. This doesn't exist. Following. Social trading bot follow. So I deleted 4 stuff. Okay. Next thing to fix is that we will need at project governance icons to delete social persona followed, following, social trading bot followed, and social trading bot following. All these are gone. Then this means that this is gone, and if it is here, okay, so I'm going to save my plugin, refresh. Okay, that problem disappear, and it also disappear from here. So I would make a note later for the guys doing the icons. Please do me these icons. Okay, so I guess that I finished this one. Clean the relationship between social persona and body social graph. Okay, so another task. I don't really understand this one. I'm checking my list. Check check bot initialize for bot asset, bot exchange, and bot enable. I don't know what it is, so goodbye. Okay, so from all the problems that I see that needs to be done, from all the problems that I see, the ones who makes more sense now is to move the app schemas out of where they are now. Because if I don't do it, then people will start creating profiles with nodes that needs to be moved, and that's not a good idea. So let's commit this. I will make myself sure that everything is continue working. At least here. Okay, so I can commit this. User profile nodes following. Okay. So now that we don't have that stuff, let's analyze this. What do we need to move where? Social personas is a concept of the project social trading. Okay. Social trading bots is a concept of social trading. So everything in here I will have to redo it. Because I have to move all these guys out. And these have implications at the workspace of trading signals that I had a reference to my trading bot. Okay, but and the problem is that we will have a huge amount of stuff. No, I cannot redo all the stuff. So what I'm going to do is back up all this, rename the governance, rename the project governance for whatever. I'm going to import it here so I don't lose the idea of the nodes. This is interesting because maybe you can learn something out of this. What is the problem? I have a huge structure here defined with my signals. Not my here. I have a whole definition of signals, and all these nodes are referenced at a workspace called Trading Signals Demo. So if I recreate this stuff, that is going to take me a while, I have to reference everything again, and it's a waste of time because I now have to move the app schema from governance to social trading, all this stuff. Okay, all of it. So how will I solve the problem? I'm going to back up this, take it to a notepad, rename the governance, and then attach it here once I finish with all the changes at the app schema definitions. Okay, so that's the plan. That's what we're going to do now. So here we are. So let's start first with social personas. Social personas. What else? Social persona. What else? This is not going to be easy or quickly because here there are childs that are belonging to other projects. So we need to go slowly. Okay, only two guys. So I'm going to cut this. We are at governance and we need this at social trading. It's unbelievable. We don't have any, not even the folder. Schemas. So inside schemas, we have app schema. app app schema, and inside here we're going to paste these two guys. So these two guys, these personas, is going to add a persona that is from social trading. And write social persona, and because it's of the same project, we don't need to specify there. Okay, good. Then persona from open storage. What is this action project foundation? This is not correct. The project here is open storage, and the correct thing it should happen is that here it says project open storage. Otherwise, some kind of problem is going to happen. Okay? So who is Who is the father of social personas? User profile. So user profile, project, social, social trading. Okay, so we change it, which is the project here, and we change it here and here. And social persona is loading an object signing account. Okay, signing account is not possible to be created. That's created by an automated process. But we will add that this is governance, so as to be 100% clear. Governance, okay? So I think we did the switch well. The next thing I would do, if I don't want to lose all the references that there might be, in this case is less critical, but what we're going to do is we're going to remove this guy from this parent, create a backup, to be honest, I don't need that much social personas. With one is enough. So I'm going to create another backup. Open it. And edit this for social trading. Okay. And the only one that has also social trading is this guy. So I'm going to save this, close it, and delete this, save the user plugin, save the workspace just in case, and reload. Okay, then we are going to go to my profile, and we are going to create a backup of something else just to show folder, and we are going to restore our modified backup here. Oh, so okay, the icons. We forgot the icons. The icons of social personas, plural and singular, should go now to to social trading folder icons, and here. Okay, but anyway, without icon, this should work anyways. So we are just going to save our plugin, refresh the page, and we will see if we succeed on recreating the stuff. Okay, this looks good. So our test is going to be to stop this and stop this and to run the network. So something didn't work. Could not apply the event from storage. What could have been wrong? It's like the first impression is that the idea of the social persona change. ED1. ED1 is the origin social persona. ED1, we have it here. Okay, so we have the same ID, which is kind of logical. But anyway, there is a problem. Because we deleted the second person. I said that it was not a problem. Okay, I shouldn't have deleted that, guys. But the problem is that we are not going to be able to load those events. So it's like that is not going to exist because I'm following somebody that doesn't exist anymore. Okay, I understand the problem. Okay, doesn't matter. So that means that when I run this, the events related to following are not going to appear, only the post. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so we're good. We're good. So I'm going to commit this. Social persona, move it to social. Okay, no problem. Maybe I can restore that quickly so I don't lose those events. Add a social persona. No. Or maybe yes. What if I run the network? I just need the ID to input the same ID and probably I can make it work. Story event. Target social persona ID is this. Okay, so if I come here and replace this by this and close this, and then I back up this, delete this, and show in folder, and I bring this social persona in here. Then I will have the same persona that I deleted. This was going to be number 2, and I will put some configuration. Okay, social persona is, as you can see, is having social handle and bio. This is incorrect. We need a code name and handle. Code name and handle. So in here, we can say code name and handle. Okay. Okay. So another thing that I will need is to recreate the sign-in accounts by install sign-in accounts. Then I create a sign-in account. Ooh, another problem. Okay, so there is a small problem with the icon of the sign-in account. Why? I don't know, because we didn't touch that. Sign-in account, project governance. Isn't sign-in account from project governance? Then why is not finding this? Okay, that is broken. But maybe we fix this. Now everything is broken because everything is broken now. Maybe because something that happens when you run the install sign-in accounts. Okay, why is this not showing? Why, man? Why is this not saved? Why is this not showing up? I have no idea. The social persona cannot add as a child is. This is done by install sign-in account process. What about log? Profile constructor. This process install sign-in account. So my guess is that something is wrong here. Add UI object. Project. Okay, if you don't send the project parameter, then it will get the project who knows from where. So here we need to add governance. So we will refresh this. Project social trading. Why, man? It's not social trading. We just changed it that. So what is wrong with this? Oh, because I'm putting this in the wrong place. Of course, it's not going to work. Governance. Wonderful. So now let's see if this fixes the problem. Okay, no problems there. And at the desktop, we run it again. And we have the followings, follow it, and the post. Okay, thanks God, this working again. So, bugs, fix it with signing counts. Okay, so that was good and give us a little experience of how to port the other. So this branch is done. My guess is that available storage is a node from open storage. Yeah, so this is good. Okay, so this branch is okay, is how it should be. Good. What else? User bots. Here I am putting this guy in the middle because I expect to have other type of bots beside these social trading bots. Otherwise, it would be connected directly here. But who knows? So far, there is no need. So I'm going to do similar stuff. And I'm not going to consider this node part of social trading, but from here on. So we have social trading bots, social trading bot. Okay, available signals. Where does this belong? Okay, project trading signal. Thanks God. This is well done. Okay, so the problem is at these three nodes, essentially. I need to fix three nodes, and that's it. So is social trading bots, social trading bot. Okay, I don't need you anymore. I don't need you. So here, social trading bot, social trading bots. These two guys will be moved here. So before I forget, I would also move the icons. Social trading bot, social trading bots. They will be moved here. Okay. Social trading bot, and social trading bots. Also, I will need user bots because that's the parent. Okay, user bots, where are you? Okay, so this guy, user bot, can create these social trading bots, which now belongs to social trading. So user bots, change there, and project, change there. So that's user bots. Then you have social trading bots that comes after that. And then it comes this guy. So social trading bots can have a child of this type. Okay. Which belong to this project. Then social trading bot sign in account, social trading bot sign in account will have project governance, available signals will be of the project, available signal, the project trading signals, and available storage of open storage. Okay, so that's how we fix them all. That's how they fix them all. So we move two guys and change the parent. Okay, so trading signals, open storage, and this guy can have as a child social trading bot, social trading, social trading. That's all for now. Now that we have that, I'm going to do the same trick of the backup stuff. So I do the backup and I open the backup and we'll change this. I need to make 3 changes. Social trading bots, then social trading bot 1, and then find social trading bot number 2 and replace this by governor by this. So now I save this. I remove this from here. I save the profile and reload the page with the new definitions. Then I will make a backup of this just to open this like this, and social trading bots that I change, going to put it here. Then I'm going to connect this to this, and hopefully everything is in place and it's going to continue working. I cannot test this directly from the network because it's unrelated to that. Also, I cannot test this with trading signals because, well, I can do it, but I will diverge, and I'm not sure that it's still working with all the things that I've changed the last few days. So I hope this is going to be enough. I'm going to save my plugin. And in my mind, this should work. This is social trading. This is trading signal. This is governance. This is open storage. This is a multi-project profile. Okay, so two things fix it. What else do we need to fix? Probably these guys. This guy, yeah. I got this tractor here. I've got this tractor. Let's check this out. F12, Control Shift Alt F12 prints the object here. And project is governance, which is very bad. Okay, so all of this is governance. This network reference, I guess, is governance too. Indeed, it's governance. Network services. Don't tell me this is also governance. Okay, project network. Network services, this is network. But all these should be network too. So we have peer-to-peer network nodes, peer-to-peer network node, peer-to-peer network node reference. Okay, three guys that we have to move. Okay, so here we move social trading bots, app schemas, move it to social trading project. Peer-to-peer network nodes. Okay, let's go. Where are you? Okay, here are the three nodes we need to cut. And paste here. We will go and do the icon work. This, and this. We are going to move it also here. Okay. What else do we have? So the guys that we move is going to be this. So I guess we can remove this guy, and this guy, and we'll leave these guys probably down here because this might be useful, but it's not what we're working at. So we are working with this guy, and this guy. Oh, okay. So at the user profile, we're going to have at the user profile a way to add peer-to-peer network nodes. Okay, so this is going to be project network. And also this is going to be network. Network. Okay, good. So this guy can have as a child a network node. So the project is again network. And we're going to add also this. That the project is network. So the network node has as a child this reference, and the project is network. The project is network. Okay, what other childs does this have? This one, available storage, that is open storage. Open storage, network, and signing account, that is going to be project governance. Okay, everything well defined. So peer-to-peer network reference, it doesn't have a child, it just points to these guys. So my understanding is that we made this well. So I need to change 1 to 3 nodes plus 4, 5 network references too. Okay, so I'm going to make a backup and I'm going to delete this from here. Save this plugin. And the backup, we will have, this is going to be network. This guy is going to be network. Then we will find the second guy. And it's also going to be network. Then we need to find peer-to-peer network reference. So this guy is going to be network. And then this is the last guy that is going to be network. Okay, so we save this file, save the plugin, and we reload this page to get the new definitions. Okay, with the new definitions, we will make any backup just to get to the folder where we are going to get peer-to-peer network nodes. Put it here. Okay. I see a problem here. So the nodes are there, but the icons are not shown. I'm not sure why. Because I moved the icons to social trading and not to the network project. Okay. Okay, so this doesn't need to be there. And I can save my plugin and refresh. Still not well. Why not? What is going on? I am in network icons. Peer-to-peer network node is here. Network icons. Peer-to-peer network node. Peer-to-peer network nodes. So what is the problem? Why is this not working? Mhm. Project network. Type peer-to-peer network nodes. This is a little bit annoying. Why? Project network. How is this possible? It's difficult to believe that we are still having problems with icons. What is missing, man? What is missing? How do you debug this? Unbelievable. Floating space, UV object. 1300. Well, at least you're going to witness the technique to debug this kind of problem that is totally diverging from what we were doing. But the way is like this: you find a function that is not doing its job, and I'm using this to put a breakpoint there so that I can see how is it that this icon doesn't get whatever it should. So the icon is undefined, and the node type is good, the project is good, but get icons, this function is not doing its job. So run it again, So let's get into here. So this means that icons, project and type get is like the icon itself by project and type peer-to-peer network node. So what is wrong here? Foundations. So all this is foundation or algorithmic trading. Foundation, 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 foundation. Foundations. Community plugins, Ethereum, TensorFlow, governance. Okay, the icons are not here anymore. Governance. Network. Okay, network. It has peer-to-peer network, social graph, and trading signals. So interesting, look, it doesn't have any more icons of network. So it's not loading those icons. Network project, network service, online workspaces, peer-to-peer network, social graph, and trading signal rather than network services. The other are not loaded here. But why? Why are you not loading the icons? Who is creating this guy? So there is a set. Okay, so the problem is around here. Icon is not undefined. Get icon by project. So is this that these icons, but the icons were loaded before, man. It's unbelievable. So I need to know what is going on here. I need to know. If project Okay, so we put a breakpoint somewhere here and we will refresh. Then we will put a breakpoint here and we will refresh again. I didn't need to refresh, just okay. Project network icon name, project network icon network. Okay, so let's continue. IconNet network services, icon name online workspaces, peer-to-peer network, social graph, trading signals, and that's it. So again, what is the problem with you, man? Schema length 6. Why we have 6 schemas? Why? Where are the others? Don't tell me I put the schema in another place that is not the network. Don't tell me that. Yes, I put the schema somewhere else. Oh my god. I probably should stop working by this time because I waste a lot of time if I'm not fully concentrated. So governance now, network, yes, schemas, yes, paste, yes. Then remove breakpoint, yes. Remove this stuff, yes. Refresh the page, yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, to test this, we can restart this and this, and let's do it. Network running, desktop running, all working. Network nodes migrated to network project. Okay, so this branch is okay. So this task is longer than I expected. We still need to resolve this place because these guys are also probably not at the place they should be. Okay. Now it doesn't want to work. Whatever. We will need to fix that and also fix this. Because here my guess is that we also have some stuff that maybe or maybe not. let me just think about it. This classification, social trading app, yeah, maybe this should be social trading. Also the mobile, and okay, I'm not sure what to make out of this. Um, Maybe it's part of the governance system. What you declare here. I tend to think that all the apps should be part of the governance system, because it must make sense to have an app part of one stuff, another app part of one stuff. I don't see any gain on that. If that is true, but I'm not 100% sure. Task server. Where is task server belonging to? Also, there is a refactoring that I should do. Refactoring of desktop app to social trading desktop app. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I guess that all these definitions are needed in order to have a sign-in account, and the concept of signing for authentication is part of the kind of the governance system. Well, I don't know, because governance, what is governance? One could argue that governance is what is going on here. Voting, getting tokens, that's the governance. It looks like this is even another project. Maybe there is a user apps project that deals with the concept that there are multiple user apps and that you need to predefine them. And maybe governance is just not part of that at all. Yeah, I tend to believe that user apps could be a project with their own set of concepts. Hmm. Okay, we'll leave this as a question for tomorrow. User apps. It is maybe project itself. Is a project that enables to have multiple user apps within a certain framework. So all of these are user apps somehow. Okay, so for tomorrow, we will go through this one, moving it to networks and doing this into user app a new project for this and removing from governance so that we are going to try governance to be constrained inside here. Okay, be constrained inside here. Some days I would like to put even a governance icon here and move these two guys inside. The problem is the disruption that is going to cause to other profiles, but maybe I can automate that. Maybe I can automate that. Okay, so this is it. So we managed to move user bots, social personas, and peer-to-peer network nodes into their own respective projects. But we couldn't finish with everything, so we leave it for the next episode. Okay, so thank you for watching this one. See you at the next one. Bye.